Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am here for another plan with me. It is the 17th of October through the 23rd of October. I'm going to be using possibly some of this. I might keep that until next week, but we don't know. We're just going to see what happens. But these come from the months of the year sticker pack. I got this at Joann's. And then the fall bucket list. I also have some other little fall stickers, and that comes from the seasonal sticker pack. I got this at Hobby Lobby on sale, originally $19.99. I got it for $4.99. And then this one, same Hobby Lobby, got it for $4.99. It is the Faith sticker book. So let's go ahead. I'm also going to be using some Stampin' Up! Glitter. So we're going to see what works best. And I'm going to start out with looking through here to find that fall that I just had. Okay, here we go. This has some nice Halloween stuff, some fall stuff. So looking at the colors, I think we're going to go with some green and orange for this look. And I love that there's a little fall bucket list. So I'm going to get out the green and the orange. I'm also going to use my Stampin' Up, or not Stampin' Up, my Dollar Tree scraper. And let's just go ahead and add some color here. So how has everybody been? It's been quite a long time since I've done a plan with me recorded. Life has been a little crazy, a little hectic for me. How about you? Let me know. What have I been up to? I have been, I have traveled a little bit, and because of the traveling, I'm now dealing with an issue with my leg for some reason. It's not a blood clot. It actually might be a form of cellulitis from mosquitoes, because the mosquitoes are so crazy out right now. So look at these two colors. They look so good together, so sparkly. Let's see. I'm still doing everything that I have been doing. I just haven't really had a chance to record some of it, but I need to start doing that every so often. Oh, I need to put some down here. Every so often I would be like, I need to go record that, and then I got taken away. Just busy life right now, trying to accomplish some goals. But I'm super excited. You can't really see what's going on here. Let me move that. I am super excited because I went to New Orleans. I think I told you about that. I've done something since then. I'm still able to talk to some of you beauties because you do my Stampin' Up! Classes. So I'm still doing some of those classes. I'm recovering from just crazy life syndrome, I think. Does anybody else have crazy life syndrome? I think I just came up with a new syndrome because I am definitely dealing with it. We, in my household, are getting into candy corns. So you either like candy corn or you don't. I definitely do. but I only do during Halloween time. So I'm gonna put some of these little guys just here, there, and everywhere. I have a few of them. And okay, so fall bucket list. The go trick-or-treating will be later, obviously. Eat pumpkin pie, Black Friday shopping, donate to a family in need. I think I'm gonna put that one here. I'm gonna put it at the end of the week here. We'll give that. I'm definitely not going to visit a haunted house. But I am going to get cozy, and I think getting cozy is going to happen. Oh, goodness. When's cozy? Let's do that on Sunday. So football is going to be on Thursday. I will be going to that game. Go apple picking. That could be fun. Just looking at the different things that the fall list says. I think I'm going to go with these colors here. There we go. And then this one here, I'm going to put right down here. Actually, I'm going to put that one right here. And as I look, I've got this one. It is Piano Day. But I think I love fall most of all. So cute. All right, we're gonna get our today sticker out because I definitely know I'm gonna have some lists that are gonna need to be built. Watch a scary movie. Oh, you guys, I have watched Dahmer. Have you guys watched Dahmer? Let me know. And what did you think about it? This says cook comfort food. We'll go ahead and do that here. Carve pumpkins, not going to do that yet. Bake pumpkin bread. Ooh, that could be good. We've got some fall leaves here. I think I will add some of these on there. This will be a busy week, so I know that I need to leave space for different items to be on here. So I think we're going to go with there we go. And these stickers, you guys, you can use them for so much more than just doing your planner. But I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm loving that. I'm gonna look real quick, see if there's anything else that I need here. I don't need to buy anything. I will build a to-do list. And then in those to-do lists, I'm going to put some little, I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. And I'm going to, this is a whole entire strip. Perfect. I'm going to move that up just a little bit. So when you need more space, just take out those scissors. You can always use that another time. There we go. Just like that. We had lots of birthdays this week. Let's see, fall in love with fall. Good food, great company. Let's do this. Okay, I've got the 2 stickers that I definitely know I need. And then I think we could be good to go. So much to do. We'll put that there. And then we'll do a let's do this. I'm going to put that right. I'll put it right in the middle here. And then we move into spring, so I'm going to get rid of that. And we're going to look into this little guy. Hoping things unseen, beautiful. I really like this one. I can do all things through him. I think we're going to cut this down just a bit. Perfect. And then I'm going to do this one that says, God bless this hot mess. And I think I'm going to put that right here. Now this doesn't match, but that's okay. Put that one a little bit too high. This little guy's not going to be very good in just a moment. All right, I think I'm pretty good. I'm gonna real quick look, see if there's anything that I absolutely need. Ooh, dropping stuff over here. If you stumble, just make it part of the dance. Do I want to hear? Yes, I do. There we go. All right, beauties. I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. and I will talk to you soon. Bye.